So for the master stock, we're going to use some onions, some carrots, pepper, tamari, and then we're going to get some kelp or seaweed, some dried shiitakes, some thyme, and some bay leaf. Onions and carrots, straight in there. You get a whole bulb of garlic, just chop it straight in half. Put that one in there. You're going to grab five shiitake mushrooms, 5 or 6, however it goes. Bit of peppercorn, maybe 4 or 5 of them. 2 or 3 bay leaves. Nice handful of thyme. Then you're going to top it up with some water. Now we're going to grab some of the seaweed. Basically, you want to just tear this up. Okay, then we're going to add some tamari. A few drops of that. Good pinch of salt. So we're going to come back to that when everything's kind of boiled a little bit and all the flavors are kind of coming together. We're going to try it again and maybe we'll season it up a little bit more. The master stock's up to temperature and it's been simmering. All that flavors kind of matched together. It's kind of that sweet, salty flavor to it. Now we're going to actually poach the chicken in it. We've turned it down. It's just simmering. I'm just going to drop the whole chicken in there. So we're going to have that simmering for about 15 minutes. So now we're going to take the chicken out. Now you're going to let it steam, let the skin dry again, and then we're just going to finish it in the oven. You want to try and be as quick as you can when you're putting the chicken in the oven so the temperature of the oven doesn't drop down. So now it's just come out of the oven, nice and crispy. We're actually going to serve this chicken with a bit of the stock that we cooked it in. Definitely no dry chicken here. You can definitely smell it's been cooked in the stock. So with this one, I'm going to actually serve some of the stock. So I'm going to take some of the shiitakes, so you're just throwing all that flavor back onto that dish.